Okay, now, I ain't no Tucker Gott. I've only done this like 5 times. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'm probably doing something wrong. So if you see me doing something wrong, feel free to comment. Okay, there's my logo. Hey there.
You okay?
Do what?
You alright?
Just tired. It's a workout.
Yeah, I bet. You finished?
Yeah, my wife wants to go to Charlotte. I'd probably do 2 or 3 more, but she wants to go to Charlotte, so you know how it works when you're married.
Tell me, I've been married 56 years.
Yeah, I've been married 27 now, and yeah, you do what she wants.
Like putting 5 pounds of crap in a 4-pound bag.
Yeah, they hold air so well. You kind of gotta, like a helicopter, you kind of gotta beat it into submission. Okay, where's the pull tab? And you got to make her behave before the wind catches her and
Yeah.
throws her all the way down the field. I got almost dragged one day. I just let one end go. It was a mess. I can't believe nobody's out here. I figured I'd have to keep waiting on influence.
We're out earlier.
Yeah.
Had a citation a little while ago.
Oh. There. Now she'll behave. Yep, that's all it is.
You put them in?
Yeah, I'll coil them up. And they're like extension cords. No matter what you do,
Yeah.
when you pull them out the next time they're tangled. It doesn't matter how you do it.